Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial video from How to Log In. In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can sign up to the Bumble dating application. Bumble is a newly emerging dating platform which is just like Tinder. You can use Bumble to connect with new people closer to your geographical location. In order to use the Bumble dating application, you will need to sign up and create an account first. In order to sign up, you can use the web browser as well as the smartphone application. Go into your Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and then search for Bumble. Once you find the application, tap on the Install button. When the installation is completed, you can go ahead and open the application. Now in order to sign up, you can either tap on Continue with Facebook or you can use Cell Phone Number. If you tap on Continue with Facebook, you will be asked to log into your Facebook account. Once you log into your Facebook account, tap on the Continue As button. Then you will be told that you will need to enable your location services. Tap on Enable Location and then press Allow. Now select the application mode. You can either choose the date mode or the BFF mode, depending on what kind of connection you are seeking. Then go ahead and select what you are interested in. You will now be told how the conversation mechanism will work. Press on the button to continue forward and then press on I agree. Now you will be taken into your Bumble account. If you create your account from your Facebook profile, then you will not need to enter your basic information. If you choose to sign up with your cell phone number, then you will be asked to enter your phone number. Enter your country code and your phone number, then press on the Next button. You will be asked to verify your phone number. Press OK and you will receive a text message which contains the verification code. You will be asked to enable your location services. Then just enter your first name and then you can upload a profile picture. You can upload your picture from your galleries or your Facebook and your Instagram account. You can also add multiple pictures onto your profile. Then enter your date of birth and confirm your age by tapping on Confirm. Select your gender and then select the application mode. Now enter who you're interested in and then you will be asked to add a recovery email address. Then after going through a few information, you will be taken into your Bumble account. And that is how you can sign up to create your own Bumble account and meet various people closer to your geographical location. If you find this video useful, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well if you wish to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.